meal packs are currently very popular. You get the Parmigiano chips, chicken, mixed and tender all the fishes kit for $10 folks, and that is bargain for money, and it is really value for money. We have the children's pack for $6 also, and they can be purchased from our cafe. We also have the hot chips,
77
pies, sausage rolls, healthy sandwiches and rolls, and we also have the grill operating for you, the beef or pork sausages.